We at Checkly are heavily invested in giving you the right tools with uptime and synthetic monitoring to know that everything is running and working properly in production. But not everything you care about has a URL. So far, our uptime monitoring included URL monitors to check HTTP endpoints and URLs, TCP monitoring to check ports and connections, DNS monitoring to check if the naming resolution works properly, and heartbeat monitoring to monitor scheduled tasks and cron jobs. But what about your database host, VPN gateway, or load balancer? None of them have an HTTP endpoint. And that's why we're excited to now offer ICMP monitoring, which goes one layer deeper. It's the most fundamental question you can ask a machine. Hey, are you there? There's no port, no service, no protocol. It's just a ping. Let me show you how it works. We are here in the Checkly UI, and as you see, I already have a failing ICMP check, but let's create a new one from scratch. To create a new ICMP monitor, you have to give it a name. I will go with the default one here. We have to specify a host name, so I will go with this IP. I want to have 5 pings per run, and I'm expecting a latency not more than 200 milliseconds. And also, packet loss, of course, plays a big role in here, so I want to be notified of a degraded state after 10% of packet loss and received a failure warning when we reach 20% packet loss. Creeping up latency and increased packet loss are very often an early signal of degradation and fire way before everything else fires. So let's get this monitor ready. We have to specify a frequency. We're going with 10 minutes here, scheduling strategy, the locations. So let's just pick some random ones. And now we can create this ICMP monitor. We will have a test run here. This looks good, all is green. Let's save this check. And of course, if now something is off with your host, we will collect all the information. Here we have a previous run. You see there that this host is randomly failing from different locations, and you can then access all the information here right in the Checkly UI. If you know Checkly and if you now wonder if all this also works in monitoring as code, of course it does. If you want to set up your ICMP monitors in code, all you have to do is you have to import a new ICMP monitor configured in code and then deploy it as always with npx checkly deploy. So with ICMP monitoring, you can now check if your hosts, if your machines are available on the network, and if they're not, we will let you know so that you can act very, very quickly. And that's everything I have for you today. Let me know how it goes, and if you have any questions, drop them below.